done your video. You stopped me, right? You stopped me while I laughed. My Naija people don bring Obonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son tori wey be say it just happened.
Omila bandits don kidnap one reverend father of St. Thomas Parish wey dey for Zaman Dabo community for inside Zango, Kataf local government area of Kaduna State. And the reverend father wey name be Gabriel Uke wey dey kidnap early in the morning for inside him house on Sunday morning wey be June 9, 2024. The federal government of Nigeria don come dey warn people wey be say they get hotel for inside Nigeria say make dem no allow underage or small girls dem dey come dey lodge for inside their rooms again, and they go sanction any hotel wey be say they go see wey go allow small girls dem or underage girls dem come dey lodge for inside their hotel. And na the Minister of Women Affairs wey be Kennedy Ohaneye, na she come out to come yarn this talk on Saturday wey be June 8, 2024 for inside Abuja. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission don come burst enter inside two nightclub for inside Akure, Ondo State as they come arrest 127 people dem wey they suspect say na yahoo na im dey do, as they come beat people anyhow, come wunjure all their body, come even go scatter the camera wey dey for inside the club dem so they no go see wetin really happen. And this gbege happen on June 8, 2024 as the Economic and Financial Crime Commission come seize plenty cars dem, laptop and also phones. One lady wey her name be Nike wey come on top one podcast interview come dey yarn how she take dey knack kpekus, as she can't even take like to the knack kpekus with dogs dem plenty. Come out to come continue dey yarn say na one brother wey dey always dey use him hand dey touch her kpekus when be say she dey small that time. Say na those things na even cause her come make her come dey like how to knack kpekus well. But after we say she don attend, they come out to come yarn this thing on top the interview. Now she can't go by herself. Oyibo dey call suicide.
Nike died. Nike committed suicide. The lady that I just interviewed, the lady that said she was sleeping with dogs.
Room, I start using finger on myself. Up to now, I'm still feeling it to a point that I have to get myself 2 dogs. I will just sleep on my bed and open my lamps, then I will call the dog, just start licking it. When I got to 5 years, this brother would just call me, notice that he just covered my mouth with one of his hand and uses the other hand, started using the finger into my private part.
The Adamawa say the Calabar Police Command don come successfully come recover one car wey some people dey go tiftalize, and na Lexus RS 330 as they come arrest the suspect wey be say they join body take go tiftalize the car. And the man wey be say na him get the motor wey be Odiaso carry am, na him go report to give the Calabar police say some armed robbers dem shoot am come carry him car take run on April 12, 2024 for inside Oka, Anambra State. Some gunmen dem don go shoot one top politician take by wey we never really know the man name for inside Enugu, and na wey be say the man dey drive in Lexus SUV, na him dey come shoot am for inside the car.
Never appear the man ever. Nobody this man. What now agree?
The former Director General of Labour Party for Presidential Campaign 2023, wey name be Doyin Okupe, wey be saying don resign and comot for inside Labour Party. Im don come dey yarn on top channels television. Say among all the people that wey say they contest for the 2023 presidential election, say na President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na him be the best among them all.
You think that Peter Obi wouldn't have done better or Atiku Abubakar would have done better?
Let me tell you, of all the people that actually ran for president in 2023, by benefit of hindsight, Bola Tinubu is the best.
The Obonga Nigeria singer wey name be Flavor aka Jele of Africa don come bury im papa on Saturday wey be June 8, 2024. As plenty Nigerian celebrities dem don come show face. Even Peter Obi even honor the burial. Cubana chief priest also show face, and also Prophet Odumeje also show face on top the burial. The Nigeria under-17 female national football team wey be Flamingos dem don come dey learn how to sing the national anthem Nigeria We Hail Thee as they go play Liberia under-17 team on Sunday, June 9, 2024 for inside the Samuel Kayando Stadium wey dey for inside Liberia.
This na Bishop News Club. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.